How about some track and field? Some area athletes competing at the Bangor Early Bird Invite. Start with the high jump. Cooper Heggie trying to clear 6 feet. He nails it. New PR gives him first place. Girls 100-meter hurdles. That's Ella Stevens flying down the track. She would take first place in 15.53 seconds. Next up, the boys 110 hurdles. Close one here, but Westby's Zach Bjorklund crosses in first while Logan's Chenu Tao takes second. And in the girls 100-meter dash, Bangor's Bliss Knox putting on a show, finishing in 12.44 seconds, while Onalaska's McKenna McGarry would take second.